So he's going to axiography right now. So complex diagnostics. You choose what you want to use. I don't think you will use. I'll stand here because I won't say anything. Yeah, good. So complex diagnostics, and here you use models and axiography. No CBCT here. He doesn't need it. Okay, it's his decision. So we see the joints, we see the trajectory. You see here is a click.
Yeah.
This is a classic picture of the click. It's very lucky when you see one. It means it's a fresh click of a young patient. So what he's doing, he knows he has to stop somewhere here. Yes, it's too much. So he will go to the joint. So there is a cross here, the right joint, so that he wants to stop just before the second click. First click is when a disc is reducing. Second click when he's sleeping again. So this is, I think, the second click, maybe. Let's see. So right now he's going to digital variator. Remember that we use this. And in digital variator you see the changes of the position. But it's not enough space to make the splint. So he can open. There are no rules here except that it has to be opened as minimum as needed for the thickness of the splint. Like 2-3 millimeters, it's okay.
Μυρίζει καμένο.
Απ' έξω μυρίζει, αλλά μυρίζει και αέριο τώρα, γι' αυτό έχω ανοίξει εγώ. Θες να το κλείσω, να
Πώς
πλέει.
καίγεται.
Όχι, είναι απ' έξω, από τη ζέστη, ξέρω εγώ.
See the second cross here. This is when the disc slips off. So he has to stop
There.
in this position.
Okay.
And this is the position of the lower jaw.
After this position is the click.
The second click.
The second.
Yes, so before the second click.
Okay.
This is the coordinates. So he opens again for the acrylic thickness, no more. Good. That's what he likes. And right now he will just export it. So to the hexacard, horizontal, because it doesn't matter for the splint, reference plane. Hexacard. Amalgam. Usual. 90% it's like that. So he's saving it as a file somewhere in desktop or a folder.
Αυτό ήταν για να δει πόσο παχύ πρέπει.
Είναι τώρα, άρχισε την άρθρωση τόσο όσο χρειάζεται, μέχρι σε εκείνο το σημείο θέλει να χαλαρώσει τώρα την άρθρωση. Και θα δώσει στον τεχνίτη ακριβώς εδώ το ύψος. Και δεν θα τον πειράξει άλλο.
Hexacard.
Okay.
So he chooses the patient.
Δηλαδή ο τεχνίτης πρέπει να του κάνει με τόσο πάχος.
Τόσο, αποκλειστικά τόσο.
So
Okay.
here is it choosing, it has to be, I think, jaw motion. Let's see.
This is a specific program.
It's έξω κάτω.
Όχι, το Zoom motion theory το...
Ναι, πρέπει να έχει το motion.
Συγκεκριμένο πρόγραμμα που
είναι module.
So, I don't think you will use the default as, yeah. Even geomotion here is not important. Because it's just a splint.
Okay.
It's for the splint.
Okay.
So the models would be exported in this position that you choose for the splint. Right now it's important to adjust the model on the screen with these views, but I think you know it's already from that side. Because he's doing it for the courses, he do more isolation than is needed, because he don't want to be embarrassed in front of the audience, not to make a perfect sit, perfect adjustment. Actually, for the splint, it's a good idea, because patients often complain that it's too tight.
Yeah.
So it's better to have more isolation of the undercuts and to make it more free on the teeth, but not completely free. But that kind of impressive for the courses that splint is immediately seated without any adjustments if you need. That's why, see, 0.1 millimeter is not big, but you see smoothing, 44% and minimal thickness 0.3. Diameter of the drill is 0.1. And path of insertion, which for the splint is not that important, but the program asks for it. But at least you have to make distance from the model. So it's initial design.